join. First, we said absolute number is the distance between 0 and 3 on a number line. So the absolute of 3 equals the absolute of minus 3 equals 3. Now, if we have something like the absolute of s plus 4 equals 9, we are looking for two values. It can give us 9 or it can give us minus 9. And they are 5 or minus 13. Okay. But for the question we want to answer, the question here, s plus 2 less than 4 and 2s minus 1 less than 7. So we can approach it similarly. If s plus 2 is less than 4, then s plus 2 is less than 4, or s plus 2 is greater than minus 4. Greater than, because when we introduce negative, we needed to change the value. Remember, 3 is greater than 2, but minus 3 is not greater than minus 2. To make it mathematically correct, we need to say that minus 3 is less than minus 2. So we solve s plus 2 absolute less than 4. We got s is less than 2, or s is greater than minus 6. And when we solve 2s minus 1 less than 2s minus 1 absolute less than 7, so we got s is less than 4 or s is greater than minus 3. We are now checking the boundaries where these answers can be. First, to guide us, we are putting these values. All the values we got, we have 2, positive 2 and positive 4, negative 3 and negative 6. We are now checking the ones that make sense. For instance, when we said s is greater than minus 6, it's possible that it's not greater than minus 5. Is that not? Hello?
Yes.
Aha. But when we say that s is greater than minus 3, that means it's already greater than minus 6 too, because minus 3 is greater than minus 6.
Yeah.
On the flip side, when we said s is less than 4, when we say s is less than 4, s might not be less than 2 because s can be 3. But if we say that s is less than 2, we already mean that s is less than 4. A number that is less than 2 is also less than 4. Now, I am now telling you where in reasoning, one thing in reasoning, okay? One thing in reasoning, when it comes to mathematical reasoning, is what we call necessary and sufficient reason. Necessary and sufficient reason. Let me add it here. Necessary. If a number is less than 2, then
I think I'm missing the 2. The first one is 2 and 6, while the second one is 4 and 3. What?
Yes. No, we have put all the points together. The first answer we got is 2 and minus 6. Yeah, 2 and minus 6 is correct. All these points are
Oh, okay. I understand that. Okay.
All we are looking for now is the boundary. So the boundary is minus 3 and 2. So minus 3 and 2 are the correct boundaries. Okay. But that have not still answered the question. So from here now, we are going to count all the question is asking for how many integers. So the first integer here is minus 2. Okay. Then minus 1. Then 0 and 1. So we are not going to count 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. That is 4 integers. So the answer is 4. Yeah, if you check the problem solving set, the one that is 230, there are different questions that that present the same type of